A group of N people worked on a project. They finished 35% of the project by working 7 hours a day for 10 days. Thereafter, 10 people left the group and the remaining people finished the rest of the project in 14 days by working 10 hours a day. Then the value of N is, see, first N number of people were there. They were working and they finished 35% of the work. How they worked? They worked 7 hours per day. First 7 hours per day, and for 10 days they worked. After that, what happened? 10 number of people left. Okay. So then how many people will be there? N minus 10 will be there. Initially N were there, finally N minus 10 were there. Did they work for 7 hours per day? The remaining people? No. They worked 10 hours per day. But for how many days? They worked for 14 days. So now you need to find the value of N. See here there are two cases. When N number of people working, 35% of the work is completed. How they worked? 7 hours per day and up to 10 days. Then what happened? N minus 10 number of people started working to finish 65%. When 35% is done, 65 will be left. But there are no N number of people. There are N minus 10 number of people. How they are working? 10 hours per day and up to 14 days they worked and they finished the work. See here you can apply the formula M1 T1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 T2 D2 by W2. Okay. Then now I'll do N and 7 hours per day into 10 days they worked and they have finished 35% of the work. It means 0.35 work. And M2 is nothing but N minus 10. How many hours they are working per day? They are working 10 hours per day. 10 hours per day. And up to 14 days they worked. And how much work they worked? 65%. So it will be 0.65 W. 65 means 65 by 100 into W actually. So here you can cancel the things which goes W gets cancelled, 10 gets cancelled, 7 ones are 7 2 0. So now point to this point and this point goes cancelled. Now 5 sevens are 5 13. So you do the cross multiplication, then 13n is equals to 14n minus 140. So it means n is equal to 140. So 140 is the answer. The simple thing. So you don't have to write the formula also. Directly in your mind you can write these terms and you can find the value of n easily. Now the next question. One day Rahul started a work at 9 a.m. 9 a.m. and Gautam joined him 2 hours late, means 11 a.m. he joined. Then what happened? Okay, coming to the next question. One day, Rahul started a work at 9 a.m. Rahul first started the work. At what time? At 9 a.m. Rahul started. After that, Gautam joined him after 2 hours. So it means at 11 a.m. They then worked together. Both of them worked together and completed the work at 5 p.m. They completed the work. So 5 p.m. they completed the work means how much time they worked? Rahul worked for 10, 11, 12, and 5, 8 hours. And Gautam worked for how much hours? 6 hours. And they finished the work. Suppose if both had started at 9 a.m. and worked together, the work would have been completed 30 minutes earlier. It means suppose if both have started at 9 a.m. only, Rahul and Gautam both say started at 9 a.m. only, it will take less time and that too at 4:30 the work will be completed. So at that time how many hours of work is done? Rahul 7.5 hours and here also 7.5 hours. Okay, now we got two parameters based on the given data. Working alone, the time Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work. So using this information, two cases, using these two cases, we can get relation between the efficiency of Rahul and the Gautam. Okay. See, I'm using these two cases. In one case, they worked, Rahul worked 8 hours. Suppose I'll assume Rahul's efficiency as X and Gautam's efficiency as Y. Then what I'll do, I'll use Rahul's efficiency into how many hours he worked initially? 8 hours. So 8x plus whatever the other person, 6y Gautam. And now the work is completed. And the same work is completed by them when they started up 2 hours, when they started at the same time, that is 9. So I take this case. So 7.5 hours of x plus 7.5 hours of y because both are same. This work is same as this work. That's why I'm equating. Okay. Then from this I get 0.5x is equals to, I'll take 6 this side, 1.5 by. So point gets cancelled, 5 and the 5 is then x is equal to 3y. So here x is the efficiency of Rahul and y is the efficiency of Gautam. So now you got their efficiencies. So you can use that. By using that, you can find the solution. Now, using this relation, I'll be able to solve how many total number of works are there. See, when they are working 8 hours and 6 hours, the total work we are going to get. So I got the efficiency of Rahul and Gautam as a ratio of 1 is to 3. X by y is equal to 3 is to. So 3 is to 1 or 1 is to, you can say. So now what I'll do, x is equal to 3 by, I'll use this relation here. 8x in 8x plus 6y I will use. So I'll write 8x plus 6y here. In this, 8x plus, in place of 6y, y is equal to x by 3 I'll put. So then 3 ones are 3 twos are. So it means 10x is the total number of works they are supposed to do. So this is the total work. So once you got the total work, you know the capacity of Rahul. What is the capacity of Rahul? X. What is the capacity of Gautam? Y. But as per the question, what is asked? When working alone, the time Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work. So it means that total work divided by capacity of Rahul, that is X. So it will give you 10 hours. So in 10 hours, Rahul can finish the work. Okay. The next question, 15 men can complete a work in 25 days and 25 women can complete the same work in 40 days. If all the 15 men and 25 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? It's a similar type of question. There are 15 men and these 15 men can complete it. The next question, 15 men can complete a work in 25 days and 25 women can complete the same work in 40 days. See, 15 men can complete the work in 25 days. It is same as 25 women working for 40 days. Both are same. Using this relation, we can find the relation between men and women first. So 25 gets cancelled. 20. 5 threes are 8 women. 3 men is equals to 8 women. Or 1 man equal to 8 women by 3. Use this. Keep it as one relation. Now, if all the 15 men and 25 women work together, in how many days will the work get completed? See, if all the 15 men and 25 women are working together into D, M1 into D. See here in case of M, men, I have added men and women because the total force. So they took some D number of days is an assumption. So in how many days will the work get completed? The D should be completed. But the work is same when they are working 15 men or 25 men, work is same. So I can equate the work as this one or this one. So now I'll write 25 women into 40. This is equal to 25 women into 40. Okay. Now what I'll do, in place of men, substitute 8 women by 3. So now 15 into 8 15 into 8 by 3, 8 women by 3 plus 25 women. This D I am writing here is equals to 25 women into 40. What I'll do, then 3 5s it gets cancelled. So 40 women plus 25 women to D is equals to 25 women into 40. So now 65 women into D is equals to 25 women into 40. This one is cancelled. 5 13s are 5 5s are 5 into 40 is 200. So D is equal, now D is equal to 200 by 13. So 13 tens are 130. 13 5 is 65. So 15s are 195. 5 remains divided by 13. So it means that the first option. See here, we have used the formula M1 T1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 T2 D2 by W2. The same formula is being used. Okay. It's just simplifying the things a little faster. So we discussed a similar problem here also, the above case also. Okay. Thank you for watching. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Okay.